Do you want to keep your CPU temps in check along with making your PC look cool at the same time? Well, the easiest way to do that is throw in some extra fans to your PC case. Today I'm going to install these CPU fans from Coolmoon. They are quite affordable and let's see how they look and perform. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please join us for more awesome contents. Let's see what we get in the box. We have some installation manual, 5 fans, one controller cable and a remote for changing modes. Before putting inside the case, let's check if they work by attaching them to a power supply. The remote is quite simple as well. Starting from the top left, we have the on switch, auto mode switch and off switch. The auto switch cycles through all the preset light effects one by one. The speed switches can be used to slow or speed up the fan spinning. We can cycle through each preset effect manually by the mode up and down button. And we have a brightness increase and decrease key as well for the lights. All the below buttons are for static lights of the LEDs. The color of the button pulls the same color to the fans. Basically, you have to connect all the fans to the fan ports on the controller, and the power port from the controller goes to the Molex pin of the power supply of your PC. If you are wondering if this will work with the inbuilt lighting solution of your motherboard like AuraSync, RGB Fusion, etc., then sadly no. It runs on its own modes and do not sync with those solutions. However, I tested another model which can be synced with your motherboard. I will post a separate review video of that fan solution separately. For the price, these set of fans are very good performer and looks very nice in my opinion. You can definitely go for this and make your PC look cool and keep cool. Also, they do not make any noise at all. Very minimal fan spinning noise can be heard if you hear closely. You can select the number of fans as well, ranging from 1 to 6. I hope you have liked the video. This is Avik signing off. Have a great day.